The road to presidency of any bank is a long road in many cases. In my particular case, as being a 40-year banker, I started off on the teller line. Being a teller, understanding client needs in a local, very small bank that was then bought by Bank of America. I had graduated from FIU, and then they put me through a program, which was a training program, and I was able to move up based on an education, but based on my ability to work hard and provide great customer service. It's all about people, and it's never been anything different. And so the higher you reach, the more you have to serve. And the more you serve, the more you understand the value of being a servant. When you reach that servitude, it's really just about being humble, knowing yourself, and being sure that those around you are as happy as they can be, but at the same time, provide excellent service at the highest level. Normal day starts off early. A normal president is usually involved in the community as well. And so there's a facet of activities that go on. Number one, we have our team that needs to be well understood, well motivated, know what their mission statements are daily, weekly, monthly, that they're interacting with each other and interacting with clients. Number one. Number two, that we are interacting with our community, because it is our community that allows us to grow as well. So we garner the community like it was a garden. We flower, we plant, we water, and we grow together with the community. The next item of opportunity and activity is to work with the board. We have our advisory board, and communicating with them, understanding what they are looking at and how they're interacting with themselves, with their companies, and with the community, all impacts the way that we operate as well. We happen to be a bank that believes in speed the market. So we're able to make decisions here locally, we're able to service our client locally, and we're able to really understand our community locally. And that's an edge over banks that are about 40 billion. We're a $40 billion bank. So we're not a community bank per se as the discussion of community bank is, but we act as a community bank. And that really, with the power of a larger bank, with the capital of a larger bank, and so we're able to bring nice sized transactions to the bank, be able to underwrite transactions that are larger than many of the smaller banks, but at the same speed. However, what's very important is we're able to do smaller transactions too. Why? Because building small business is the key to the long-term economic growth cycle of communities. I've been a long-time member of the Chamber. I have been at the board level maybe about 5 or 6 or 7 years. I have moved up then to head up some of the committees that were available requiring leadership. It then allowed me to be invited to become a treasurer of this organization. And for me, the Greater Miami Chamber of Commerce is, number one, a great networking organization. Number two, that it provides a way for people to get together, for issues of this community to be discussed correctly, for our issues then to be articulated in a way that we can bring it to our politicians, those that make decisions day by day, as well as to the business sector so that they can understand and help fund some of the decisions that the Greater Miami Chamber of Commerce has understood and has, again, articulated to the point where people can say, yes, we are right, yes, we have some thoughts, yes, we have a directional view. And so our ability to change the future, our ability to impact the future has been great. We are fortunate in Miami to have a very diverse population. Our student body is very diverse from many sectors, many cultures, many languages, and from many places in the world. They need to understand that there is great job opportunity in the Miami and South Florida markets, especially in the areas of trade and logistics. So we are a global area, banking and finance, healthcare, and other areas, including education, whereby their requirements are needed, where their talent is needed, and where their historical ties to Miami create additional strength for our community.